Well, this is what I got Cameron to pick up. 1950 two-door Coronet. No title. Oh yeah, I love the hitch situation, dude. I kind of want to see if I can see underneath of it. A little rusty.
Let me know when you're ready.
Alright. Get a quick look. Dude, this thing is super fucking cool. I don't care what you say. That ram right there, I mean, if that doesn't scream fucking Dodge, I don't know what does. Dude, this thing is fucking badass. It's missing a hubcap. Might even be in here. Thing's full of fucking parts. It's got the transmission and stuff. I mean, the floor is just about fucking gone. It doesn't even fucking exist. It's fucking just gone. It needs gutted. The dash and the steering wheel, pretty fucking brutal. The glass looks fucking great. It either had cats or raccoons on it. It looks like raccoons, kind of, for real. The coons. Like, is that a kitty print? It's just too fucking perfect. Seats are destroyed. I love the handle. That's brutal. It looks pretty good in here though. Rust wise, she looks mint. Dude, this thing is awesome. It was a gyromatic, dude. That's pretty fucking cool. She's rolling, boys. Fish is the first to drive it. Holy shit, all the traffic in the world comes now. And Cameron's actually over here fucking with the 50 net. Passenger window does go up and down. Taking the seat out right now. And then I think we might start cutting shit up if he's down. Alright, got one of my metal guys here today. Got off work early, said he needed to stop by and make some money, so we had him start cutting this here bench out for Cameron. So these old bolts for the seat are tough as nails. It's like they're tougher. So they're burning up blades, and the grinder blade's too short to get up in there underneath the seat. Sean got the one in the front on the other side out with ratcheting wrench, I think is what he's got there, and now Jack's getting the back side on passenger side out, but front is dogged, so we're gonna have to try to cut through that somehow. And Sean, did you try the rear bolt over there? I haven't even tried the rear bolt on driver's side, so that's what we got. All kinds of asbestos dust flying around this hoe. Got the cushion out.
What's it looking like? Acorns and shit. Yep. See, yeah, look at all the bolts right in the middle. Yep. It's almost out.
Drag it out, Sean.
Drag it
Oh! Choo-wee! Alright guys, here's Cameron's 50 Coronet that he's gonna do the 5.9 Magnum, like stroked out or whatever. He's gonna put that in this build. As you guys seen yesterday, we pulled the interior and stuff out of it. floors are rotted up front, boys. They had a nice toolbox, came with it, old school. This thing here is pretty cool, but I want your guys' information on what's the difference in a Wayfair and a Coronet. I will show you. It does have the Coronet badges. Maybe it's the gyromatic is the difference. Getting projects done and all, but we're also working, taking on side work, which, by the way, guys, if you guys need any help with any projects like this, or any Mustangs, or, you know, any car projects, any yard projects, power washing that you need done, anything like that, you guys give us Elk Millbillies a call. Number's 302-824-6424. That's shop number, and we're basically open 7 days a week. We're scheduling out right now. Definitely hit us up if you need anything.
Update. We're taking this whole fucking front clip off.
And what's our plan in the end with doing that? Just seeing how it all works.
See how it all takes like comes apart. Maybe spray some rhino liner or something underneath the panels to save on them. And
make some room.
Yeah, make some room. That's the big thing, because we got to do custom shit for the steering, because this old school steering and the shift shit got to get out of there. Got to figure out trans mounts, engine mounts.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so as you can see, I've been slacking on the camera a little bit, but me and Cameron have been going crazy since Sean left us. So we got the front clip pulled up off of this thing. Everything's actually super solid. They pulled the chrome off the sides here, and you can see the rockers. This is the worst one. The other side's really not that bad, but it's still still super solid for 1950.
I'm putting a cam in it. I'm in it.
Yeah. There's a cam in it. As you can see, this shit's super solid too. It definitely was in a fire, but
Grease. Look at all that grease.
because that's, yeah, yummy. But power wash it and shit, and do some rhino lining. We're on our way, right, Cameron?
Yep.
It's on its way, boys. I don't know what I showed y'all with the interior, but here it is, basically. And you guys see why we have the interior out. We're gonna cut all that shit up out of y'all. She's on her way.
Yeah, yeah. I hear the voices in the middle of the night. I know I gotta get it and I can't lose sight. I know they waiting for my time, yeah, my time to blow. And I was thinking it would be a long time. Will you be right by my side if things don't go